Hello there subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it 0xc000007b. So how we can fix it? So this error is you can see this error after you try to open some application. So it also means that you have some problem with DLL files. So first method you can try is just find DLL file of this program and just download another file and copy this file you download and replace in a folder with this app. But you can also try another way. So I will show you another way you can try. So just for example, if this Firefox program, so just right click on it, just choose properties here. So you just choose program you have error after you try to open it. So in general you choose read only, choose advanced. So here it is everything okay, shortcut, compatibility. So here we choose incompatibility mode, run the program in compatibility mode 4, and here we choose our operation system. So it's we can't see here Windows, so you choose here your operation system. If you don't have can't find it, you just unchoose it. So after you do it, you need to change settings for all users, and also check here your operation system and just click OK. Apply, continue, OK. So after you do it, just try to restart your computer and to open your app. I hope that everything will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.